So I've had the Elite Series 2 controller for about a year now. This is a long-term gamer's perspective and a review of this controller. Now, it is a wonderful controller. Definitely when I open up my Xbox Series X or S, straight away I go to this controller. It is fantastic. So things I absolutely love about this controller is the ease of use, the custom profiles, the customization of the physical and digital attributes, overall feel of the controller as well. In terms of the basics of this controller, it comes with this really nice bag with the Xbox logo on it, and this controller, in terms of its physical attributes, like everything is customizationable. So we've got all of these parts that we can take off, and they're all magnetic, so they're really easy to put back on, and voila, you can just put that back on. It's fantastic. This is just the ultimate controller for gamers, seriously. I know it's a couple of years old. In terms of its long-term perspective, like nothing beats it. Like there's just been nothing else that comes close. Even the back paddles are great, and the back of the controller, we've got 3 different types of these bumpers where you can actually control how they go. I mean, a lot of controllers have replicated what's happened with the Elite Series 2, but nothing comes close with this sort of build. And in terms of its case, it has this really awesome feature where it has this charger inbuilt, so you can basically have this magnetic pad here. They can just pop it in there, and that's now magnetically held in. And at the back there's a Type-C input, so you can actually charge it while it's in its case, which is really great as well. And we've got a really great set of features with this case as well. So we've got this open pad where you can sort of store cables and whatnot. We've got a whole bunch of options. So we've got really long sort of joysticks and really short ones, so you can really customize your gameplay experience. You can take away the back paddles if you like, so that's all magnetic as well, which is really great too. And with custom profiles, we can actually customize what these buttons do as well, so you can really customize your experience for different games and stuff like that, which is really great as well. I really like this sort of setup where we've got sort of 2 medium joysticks and we've got this circular pad. And we can even customize our tension with our joysticks as well, which is really great. So we basically have this little key that we can basically put in here, and we can actually tighten it or loosen it up depending on what you like and what your preferences are. As you can see there, we've got 3 different bars. That basically just means our player profile. So we're on player profile 1, which is why this is just lit up here. And we've got 3 different profiles to choose from. In future, it would be nice to have like twice the amount, for example, like 6 profiles. That would be definitely mind-blowing for the Elite Series 3. I overall love the feel of the controller. Something I'm a big fan of is this feel here. So it's really well built there as well. And even just the general overall feeling of the controller, it's quite heavy, which is quite good for me. I don't mind the heaviness. It's definitely heavier than the normal sort of controller that you get for your Xbox or your PlayStation. In terms of stick drift, haven't dealt with it. Hasn't been a problem for me. You know, I play a lot of racing games on the Xbox and stick drift just isn't an issue. In terms of other customization options, we can change that LED light there, which is another really great option there as well. In terms of buying options, you've got the Elite Series Core. I've heard the Elite Series Core does have a few different issues in terms of just its product manufacturing, but overall, I'll probably go for the Elite Series 2 more than the Elite Series Core, because at least it comes with the bag and it's the same price. The only reason why I'll go for the Core maybe is because of the different colors and selections that you get there. But overall, I'm a big fan of the Elite Series 2. The way it's built is fantastic and it's just a great controller. Every single time I turn on the Xbox, I always go to this controller. So it really shows over time that it's been a really great product to buy for me, and I highly recommend it for you too. I hope this video has been knowledgeable and offers that real first-hand experience. Like, there's been 0 issues overall this past year with this controller. So I really do feel like it is a solid controller to buy for your Xbox setup and even your PC gaming setup, because you can connect Xbox controllers with sort of Game Pass, so you could have that on your PC. So it would work for your PC sort of gaming setup as well. So it's definitely worth it and really easy to use and great for customization and a great build quality as well. So yeah, I do recommend the Elite Series 2, it's great.